Good morning, all of you. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to read chapter number 4 again because this is a continuation of the chapter which we have already read in our last video. It was all their own fault. So, children, before we continue the chapter, let's have a quick recap what we have read so far. What is the story about? So it's a story about a hare and a wife who had made a new house. They clear the forest, they clean everything except a big rock that was lying in front of their house. Then what happens? Hare's wife many times pleaded Hare to move that rock from the path, but Hare did not listen at all. And the result was, first, the hare himself got hurt on his nose because of that rock, and afterward his wife also got burnt due to that rock that was lying in front of that house. Then finally again Hare's wife pleaded Hare to please remove that rock before anyone else cracks his head on that rock. Then what happens again? Again that stubborn hare replied her, "Let it lie where it is." The stubborn hare replied. So this was the last line we read in our last video, where the hare's wife is pleading Hare and she is asking him to move that rock again, and Hare is replying, "Let it lie where it is." So let's continue the chapter now. Then Hare and his wife invited their old friend Misha bear to dinner. One day Hare and his wife invited their old friend who was a bear. "Yes, I'll be glad to come," Bear said when they asked him over. "You bake the cake, I'll bring some honey." Okay. Yes, Bear was very glad to come in their new house. Bear said, "Okay, in the meanwhile, you bake the cake, I'll bring some honey for me." When the hare saw him coming, they went out on the porch to meet their guest. और जब हेयर ने अपने गेस्ट को देखा आते हुए, तो he went out of his house. He wanted to meet his guest. Misha was hurrying along, pressing a keg of honey to his chest with both paws. अब Misha was in a very hurry. Misha बहुत ही जल्दी में था. Misha was a hare's friend. He was a bear. He was in a very hurry. So he was having a small container, wooden container filled with honey to his chest with the both paws. उसने अपने हनी के कंटेनर को दोनों हाथों से, दोनों पंजों से जकड़ करके अपने चेस्ट से लगा करके रखा हुआ था, और वो बहुत ही तेज़ी में चला आ रहा था. He was not looking at the path. Hare and his wife shouted and waved. और उसने उस पाथ की तरफ बिल्कुल नहीं देखा, उस रास्ते की ओर बिल्कुल नहीं देखा. And what? Hare and his wife kept shouting and waving. वो उसे बार बार इशारा कर रहे थे. They were waving their hands. अपने हाथों को हिलाकर इशारा कर रहे थे. That rock, watch out for the rock. कि उस रॉक को देखो, please be careful. There's a rock in front of you. But what happens? Bear could not understand what they were shouting and waving about. लेकिन bear जो था वो उनकी shouting को, उनके hands के waving को समझ नहीं पाया. And before he knew it, he had tripped over the rock. और इससे पहले कि वो कुछ समझ पाता, and he had already tripped over the rock. वो पहले ही पत्थर से टकरा चुका था. You can see in the picture also. See how furious he is looking right now. He is very angry. He was going so fast that he did a somersault and came crushing down against his house. अब वो इतनी जल्दी में था, बहुत ही स्पीड से चला आ रहा था, तो जब वो उससे टकराया तो he was doing, when he hit over the rock, he started doing the somersault. Somersault means लुढ़कना शुरू हो गया, upside down fall, गुलाटियाँ मारने लगा. एंड कहाँ जाकर टकराया? हेयर्स के हाउस में. He banged on Hare's house. The keg broke and house came tumbling down around him. जो केक था, जो कंटेनर हनी का था, वो भी टूट गया. एंड द हाउस ऑल्सो केम टम्बलिंग डाउन. और जो उनका घर, जो न्यूली घर बना हुआ था, वो भी टूट करके नीचे आ गया. Bear groaned at the sight of it all. The hares both wept. बेयर गुस्साया, गुर्राया. जब उसने ये सब देखा कि उसके साथ इतना कुछ हो गया, he was very angry. He groaned in anger. The hares both wept. और दोनों हेयर जो थे, हेयर और उसकी वाइफ, वो रोने लगे. क्यों? क्योंकि उनका तो बहुत नुकसान हो गया था. Now the house was broken. However, what was the sense of weeping? लेकिन अब रोने से फ़ायदा भी क्या था? अब रोने का कोई मतलब भी नहीं बनता था. It was all their own fault. क्यों? क्योंकि ये तो सारी उनकी अपनी ही गलती थी. See in this picture where the hare is tumbling on the rock and he had broken all their hare's house. Everything is broken there. So अब रोने से क्या फ़ायदा when the thing has already happened, because it was all their own fault. So that's all for today, children. Thank you.